Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to tell you swing trading target for Mindtree from 25th to 29 January 2021. Currently, I am on weekly chart of the stock. I can draw a channel pattern and the high of the channel pattern can be drawn at 1600. The low for the channel can be drawn around 1280. Just see how price is moving back and forth between the channel. Once the breakout happened, which we can see by this huge, not huge, pretty decent bullish size candle, look at corresponding volumes. Volumes have expanded, which means that this is not a false breakout and we can see even higher levels in coming week, which we saw in form of another decent sized bullish candle. In the next week, there was profit booking. So this bearish candle is not a sign of reversal because in current week we saw the bullish momentum is continued in form of decent sized bullish candle. One thing that is prominent about this bullish candle here is that it has wick on both the side, but wick on the lower side is longer than the wick on the upper side, which means that there is more buying pressure at lower level and sellers are kind of getting overpowered. But one thing that is worrying me and the breakout can be negated is the volumes. The volumes have not expanded for current week and this could create a problem. We are going to see in daily as well as hourly chart and we are going to come to a conclusion whether it is ideal or it is advisable to take a trade in Mindtree or not. Currently, I am on daily chart of the stock and this is a level where we can draw a horizontal line. As seen by selling pressure, we can conclude that this was a resistance level. Though we have seen a breakout, but this was a false breakout. Just look at the high of this particular bullish candle is not equal to close. It is nowhere near that. And immediately after that, there was a huge amount of selling in terms of weak in the on the upper side as well as the size of bearish candle. In the Friday session, the tide seems to be changing here. Just look at this particular bullish candle. It is a sizable bullish candle with the wick on the lower side. The wick is extremely longer, which can indicate that sellers are losing momentum. Also pay attention to here as well. This wick. Every single candle has a longer wick on the lower side. And this could give confidence to buyers that if we can take the price above the level of 1800, more buyers can join them and price can reach new high in coming week. If we do the analysis on hourly chart, I can draw a ascending triangle pattern. Give me some time. I'm going to draw that out on the chart. So this is a resistance level, or in other words, breakout level. And I'm going to draw a vertical line like this. And let me join these two lines. I know it's not a precise ascending triangle which I have drawn. You can draw it much better, but that is not of significance. What is of significance is understanding how price is moving. Just look at the price action here. Price is moving back and forth between the formation of ascending triangle. And one thing which is pretty significant or apparent is that most of the candles have longer wick on lower side, which indicates that selling pressure is slowing down. And one most important thing is that during formation of ascending triangle, it is nothing but a congestion level. Price goes back and forth between that, and it should be reflected in volumes as well. See volumes. Volumes have not expanded at all. This is just a calm before a storm. Once we see breakout above 1800, just look at how perfectly price is aligned for a breakout. 1800 is a round number, and there is a extreme importance of round number in trading. If price goes above 1800, we are going to easily see this high getting taken down. Next question you must be asking me, how do we set a target for ascending triangle breakout? What you do is that you calculate maximum length of the triangle. Here it comes around 50 to 60. So if we add 1800 plus 50, we can get around 1850. But if I go to weekly chart and I see average range here, if I just take this particular candle, low is 1600 and high is 1780, which means average range is about 100 rupees. In this case, we can easily see price reaching from 1800 to 1900. Talking about stop loss, I have set stop loss not more than 10 rupees, which I am going to show you in the Excel sheet. So this is all the levels that you are required to trade in Mindtree. As I told you, I am going to take entry above 1800 and I have kept stop loss at minus 10 rupees, which equals to 1791, and targets have been given in the multiples of 10 rupees, 1811, 1222 till 1899. So what you have to do is that to lock profit and also give yourself a chance of gaining additional momentum is to trail your stop loss. For example, target 1 is achieved, which is placed at 1811. What you have to do is that you have to trail your stop loss to 1811, which means that you have locked your profit from 1801 to 1811. And if there is any additional momentum above 1811, you can catch that, and similarly keep on trailing your stop loss. I'm going to share these calls in my Telegram channel as well. Link can be found in the description box. Thank you for watching.